I am the HVAC repair guy. I served as a Navy nuclear electrical operator and spent over 17 years as a technician, installer, and contractor. I have seen just about every equipment setup out there. Today we are comparing two variable speed inverter heat pumps to help you decide which one belongs on your pad. The Costway HCST09081 and the AireVantage AVV9V. When you walk up to an outdoor unit, cabinet construction is your first line of defense against hail, yard debris, and severe weather. The AireVantage AVV9V comes equipped with louvered coil guards that completely shield the outdoor coil fins from physical impacts. The Costway HCST09081 includes a compressor sound blanket to reduce operational hum, but it lacks louvered cabinet panels around the coil, leaving the fins more exposed to accidental damage over time. Because these are heat pumps, rather than standalone air conditioners, they provide both summer cooling and winter heating. Heating efficiency is measured by HSPF, or Heating Seasonal Performance Factor. The Costway HCST09081 carries an HSPF rating of 9.0, which delivers solid winter performance and energy savings. The AireVantage AVV9V pushes efficiency higher with an HSPF rating of 10.5. That higher rating means the AireVantage extracts heat from cold outdoor air more efficiently, keeping your electric bills lower during winter operation. Under the hood, both systems utilize advanced inverter technology. Both the Costway HCST09081 and the AireVantage AVV9V feature a variable speed compressor and a variable speed condenser fan, instead of turning on and off at full blast like older single-speed or two-speed units. Variable speed technology constantly ramps up or down in fine adjustments. This precise modulation keeps indoor temperatures steady, optimizes moisture removal during summer cooling, and reduces mechanical wear on the compressor for a longer overall lifespan. Sound levels matter when an outdoor unit sits near a patio or bedroom window. The Costway HCST09081 has a published sound rating of 57 decibels, which is equivalent to a quiet conversation or a dishwasher running in an adjacent room. For the AireVantage AVV9V, I could not find a verified decibel rating for this unit, though it does feature a compressor blanket and variable speed fan designed to minimize operating noise. Looking at manufacturing origin, the Costway HCST09081 is manufactured in China. The AireVantage AVV9V is manufactured in the USA. Looking at real-world pricing, online standalone equipment for the Costway HCST09081 typically sells in system packages around $3,600 to $4,000. For the AireVantage AVV9V, uninstalled equipment is listed online around $1,650 to $2,350 for the outdoor condenser alone, depending on tonnage, or around $4,180 for a full condenser and air handler split system. Warranty coverage reveals a significant difference in long-term protection. Costway covers the HCST09081 with a 5-year parts warranty and a 5-year compressor warranty with 0-unit replacement coverage. AireVantage backs the AVV9V with a 10-year parts warranty, a 10-year compressor warranty, and includes a 1-year unit replacement warranty if the compressor fails within that first year. My honest recommendation goes to the AireVantage AVV9V. With a 10.5 HSPF rating, superior coil, protection from its louvered cabinet, domestic USA manufacturing, and double the warranty duration of the Costway, the AireVantage provides better cold weather efficiency and far greater peace of mind for your home investment.